Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and you gotta make sure you have enough light. And these Just Jubber cabinet lights has really allowed our craft station to have the light it needs. So we made our front room into a big craft room, and lighting has always been something that you struggle having enough of, particularly when you are doing detailed work like jewelry making, sewing. But this nice little nook that we've created, I really wanted some specialized lighting that was attached to the shelving above it. I appreciate that it's not battery operated. It does plug into an outlet, so I know it's never going to run out of battery or need to be charged up when I need it. It came with little sticky tabs that you can put to the back of the light, and then it had these little hooks that had the sticky part to it that you could just stick to and allow the cord to travel down the bookshelf that we had. It really was convenient. Not only does it so easily with the switch turn on and off, but when you click and hold the light, it actually will dim and then brighten back up, which again is really nice. I think if you are needing just a little extra light, whether it's in a closet, in a cabinet, in a small room, or in a little nook like we have here, it is an easy fix to any dark situation, and that's my point of view.